A man with over $2.3 billion in net worth once admitted something important. The secret to money is something many people know, but almost no one actually acts on. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's longtime partner, says, "The first $100,000 is the hardest part of building wealth. After that, the game completely changes. If you're on the path to building wealth and you feel like you're pushing with everything you've got, sweating, getting tired, but not moving forward, the problem isn't you. You just haven't crossed your first $100,000 yet. Because the moment you do, it's like a rock starts rolling downhill. You're no longer the one pushing. The momentum starts carrying you forward." Today, we're going to talk about 3 important things. Why the first $100,000 matters so much, how money starts working for you instead of the other way around, and most importantly, how to get through this hard phase faster. Part 1. Why the first $100,000 matters. The first $100,000 is the hardest stage because before that, progress feels painfully slow. When you only have a few $1,000s invested, a 10% return might barely cover a fast food meal. But once your capital reaches $100,000, that same 10% becomes $10,000 without you working a single extra minute. That's the turning point. It's like starting to run on a treadmill. The first few minutes are tough, your breathing is off, your muscles are cold, and you keep checking the clock. But once your body warms up, you're suddenly running faster with the same effort. Part 2. How money starts working for you. Before $100,000, growth feels slow. Mistakes are more noticeable, and many people quit right before results show up. Imagine you invest $10,000 every year and earn an average return of about 7%. Reaching your first $100,000 takes around 8 years. The next $100,000 comes faster. After that, the gaps get shorter and shorter, not because of luck, but because of compound growth and consistency. It's like flying a kite. At first, you have to run. The wind is weak, the string is loose, the kite keeps falling. But once it's up in the air, it starts pulling itself higher. After $100,000, money works the same way. Why most people never get there? 1. The beginning feels too slow. They don't see results. They think this doesn't work and quit. 2. Consumerism kills wealth. As income goes up, expenses rise with it. It's like pouring water into a bucket with holes. No matter how much you pour, nothing stays. 3. They lack consistency. They invest 1 month, skip the next 2, and every time it's like starting over from zero. Part 3. How to get through the hard part faster. 1. Send your money in the right direction. Buy assets, not liabilities. Stocks, ETFs, funds. Things that grow over the long term. Market volatility is normal. Emotional trading is the enemy of wealth. 2. Spend smart, not miserably. 3 simple steps. Cut unnecessary expenses. Save every extra dollar. Have a rough monthly budget. Put your money into a bucket with no holes. 3. Make your money efficient, especially if you live in the US. Taxes can take a big bite out of your returns. Use the tools available to you. Roth IRA equals tax-free growth. Traditional IRA equals tax deductions. 401k plus employer match equals free money. And don't let cash sit in a 0% account. High-yield savings accounts are paying around 4 to 5% right now. Final takeaway. Wealth doesn't start at $100,000, but once you reach it, real momentum begins. The beginning is slow and exhausting, but if you stay consistent and follow simple principles, you'll get past this phase much sooner than you think. If you haven't reached your first $100,000 yet, comment, "On my way." If you've already crossed it, comment, "I made it." And share this video with someone who still thinks investing doesn't work.